What's so cool about manufacturing? We traveled to Yazoo Mills to see how they turn recycled cardboard and paper into tubes and cores used for products such as tape rolls, poster shipping containers, and more.
Every week we purchase and use 25 truckloads of paper. One of the types of glue that we use is sodium silicate, which is in this tank, and it's pumped all throughout the plant to all the different machines. Paper is wound around that steel mandrel, and with the glue and the steel it forms the void and the size, and then it travels down to the saw and it's cut off.
So why manufacturing?
I chose manufacturing as a career because I've always been a very hands-on person and I enjoy building and creating things.
Most difficult thing I have is keeping my hands off the machines because I enjoy being in the dirt and the grind of it, and moving up through the plant, it's hard to walk away from that.
I got into manufacturing as I was just looking for a more stable career, and as you can see, manufacturing is always growing in the industry. For me, the coolest part about working here at Yazoo Mills is seeing how our cores and tubes are used.
We use teamwork every day. I work with a partner on my machine, and together we operate and produce the tubes that we make, and throughout the entire plant, everybody works together to accomplish our daily tasks.
And to your left, you'll see what we call stand on end, where we're standing the product on end in different layers, and we'll stretch wrap it for shipping.
We use teamwork here at Yazoo Mills to continually improve our processes and our products.
I get to produce some pretty awesome products.
I was always intrigued by doing different things, how things work, seeing the end result that can be used by, your customer. So manufacturing is just cool.